Cats. Today we're gonna open our Ipsies, yay! And show you what we got. And don't forget to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that bell twice if you want notifications. So yeah. Don't worry, me and Sinfulkitkat will be doing a Q&A soon. Maybe you want to put that light a little bit further back.
Or maybe I can just...
No, that's too dark. Just...
Some technical difficulties. It's not from the light. It's from the windows.
Yeah, it's from the window. Oh well. It is what it is. This light's barely showing anything at all. Okay. Whatever. Who's going first? You.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, just gonna show the bag. It's cute.
Which is super cute. Yeah.
Cutesy bag. It actually focused really well. Probably because the sun is hitting my face. And it also came with a couple of masks. Velvet mask.
Yeah. There you go.
Vitamin C and vitamin F. F
Yeah.
is a thing.
Yeah, you got oil and moisture balance and dull pigmented skin.
Okay. And let's see what I have in my bag. Who is going to stop me? You should show that off, Mom. Show it off like one of your French girls.
I don't have any French girls. Wackadoo.
I don't know, we can be somewhat French.
So you keep somewhat French.
Do a spit DNA test.
Whoa.
Ooh. This is
Look at this. Was that from Jade?
Yes, I'm doing Galaxy. But this looks like Wonder Woman-ish. Look at this.
Ooh, you did. You got a Wonder Woman brush.
This. Don't look at me, I'm ugly.
It's a Luxie, isn't it? Because Lexi has all these like DC brushes that came out.
Yeah, it's a Luxie.
So, why is it? It's a detailed tapered blender. It's very soft.
I guess this is for my hair.
She guesses. Let me see.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, it is from Numa. Naturally addictive. It is new moisture instant fix. Yes, it's to revive a healthier hair. So it's to give your hair moisture. Moisture. The sun's really bothering you.
Did you just decide? Okay.
We need to put a curtain up.
Yeah, we do. I'm gonna die. And then we also got Mana.
Ooh.
Mana.
Mana Kadar.
Mana.
Or just says Mana.
It's a priming lip one. What? I don't know.
Yeah, it's Mana Kadar. Priming lip wand. So, this looks like a lipstick to me. Can we get it open? So that they can see it, the color?
We can't get it open.
We can't get it open.
It's not allowed.
Seems that it's not allowed because they made it difficult. I like it when they have like a strip somewhere so that you could just strip it down.
There is.
I'm not seeing it. No, there's no perforated strip.
Well,
They didn't put that there. So.
there's a M Princess. And the color is Pretty Petal. So, you don't need to see my face. I still think
There?
you need to see my face.
You're gonna open it.
How about no?
It's like a loose.
You just look it up.
It's like a loose shadow, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you guys know this, but rules are meant to be broken.
Oh, that's cute.
Just a fun fact.
Not all rules. some rules are important and are there for a reason. Just saying. Okay, now I'm gonna pull out my bag. And I also got the same sheet masks. Somebody's leaving, so. Some more sheet masks. Bye. And then.
Doesn't give you a hug. She gives me a hug when I do.
I think she wanted to be in the video, which is odd. Okay, same thing. Who is going to stop me? We've got a highlighter. Morphe High Impact Highlighter. There you go. It's the pretty color.
While you do that,
Oh, it's really soft.
just gonna do my nails while you do that.
And I don't know if you can see the shine. I can, so that's pretty shiny. Nice. We all know I like a highlighter.
It's really bright.
What's oh,
Right here.
this is a triple moisture herbal whipped body cream from Hemp's.
What is that, Mom?
It smells good. I've used a Hemp's product before that has been okay. So, but this is like a really small amount of cream to use, like lotion. It's like, how am I like supposed to learn anything about how good it is with that small amount? Anyways. Where's the opening to this? There's no opening. There it goes. I found it finally. That was weird. So we got Meech and Mia. And this is a pressed eyeshadow in the color Gunmetal, which I think is going to be very useful. So for some smoky eye action, right? Yeah. Let's see. Also, nice and soft. It's not bad. It's not as pigmented as I thought it was, but we'll see. It's probably good for blending, I think. And last, but certainly not least, in my sweet little bag, that says rules were meant to be broken. Someone's not going to be happy. I got the Harley Quinn.
Wanna trade?
Yeah, we'll trade. Because she's a huge Harley Quinn fanatic. So it's only fair.
Where's my brush?
It's right there. So I'll take the Wonder Woman one. Although this... No, actually, I like this brush better. So, wait, let's show it to them first.
I love Harley Quinn.
So, yeah, she loves Harley Quinn. So, come on.
It doesn't want to show.
I know. It's like, no, there it
There
goes.
we go.
So,
What does it say?
good night. You know, see, that was like a flat brush, and this is a tapered brush.
What's flat brushes usually used for?
Stippling. So you could use it for like, especially that size. You could use it for your like under eye concealer.
So it's kind of like blending.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Just-
stippling blending.
just-
There's blending like this, and then there's blending like that.
Yeah. So, like that.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so we switch brushes. I have to clean a bunch of brushes because some people have been using them.
Mostly Jade.
Mostly our friend
Because
Jade.
I only use 2 brushes.
It's okay, I'm used to cleaning up after Jade's been here.
And usually when I use toothbrushes, it's usually out of the pile that's already been used.
Yeah.
I just wipe it off really well.
Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed everything that we got. And see us next time. And remember, always to be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face.
Me.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, kitty cat.